The SurePeople Action Plan is a tool for monitoring your progress on the platform and a personalized development plan. This development plan combines goal setting, feedback, journaling, and learning frameworks like 3E's for continuous learning that adjusts with you over time. You have the ability to add goals based on practice areas, competencies, programs, and virtually any custom tasks you want to add to your development plan. To access your action plan, navigate to the Action Plan icon on the upper right-hand side of the page. You can also access your action plan within many of the other SurePeople features such as Prism practice areas, Knowledge Center, competencies, and programs. Just look for the action plan icon. You can use the filter at the top of your action plan to filter out and search for goals that are either in progress or goals that are completed, by tag, and by a specific date range. Use goals as anchors for projects and initiatives to make a clear declaration of what you want to achieve. You can also assign tasks to multiple goals. To add a goal, click on an existing goal, locate Add Goal, enter your new goal, and click Add. Your goal is now available to link other tasks to. Every white tile on the left of the column represents a task. A task can be a practice area, a competency, a program that you've been assigned to or that you have elected to work on, and a task can also be custom. It could be a seminar you are attending, a book you are reading, or a meeting you have scheduled with your manager. Practice areas and competencies will come with articles, videos, development strategies, and a set of tools including notes, feedback, and development plan sharing to help you improve on your strengths and growth areas. When you're working on your practice areas or competencies, you can set deadlines to hold yourself accountable to your development. Edit the deadline at any time by clicking on the date. Use the Apply and Reflect tool to journal on the tactics you're using and the impact it might have had on a specific project or relationship. Upload files or record a video. Use the Feedback tool to solicit feedback from another member, mentor, coach, or manager on or off platform to assess how you're progressing on your specific goal. And last, visit Content to access SurePeople's vast library of hand-curated content specific to the goals you are working on. When adding a new task to your action plan, click on the task you wish to create. You can choose from Prism practice areas, competencies, or create a custom task. For example, if you were to add a competency to your action plan, simply choose the competency you wish to add, click Add, select one or more of the behaviors you'd like to work on, and when you're done, click Next. Set a deadline for yourself. We automatically recommend at least 30 days out, but you are able to specify your specific deadline if you choose to do so. Click Next, and then tie your new task to a specific development goal. When you're done, click Submit. You own your own development and have the ability to solicit feedback and share your progress at any time with anyone you wish. To solicit feedback on your action plan overall, click the feedback icon at the top of your plan. Ask for feedback or view past feedback responses. Share your action plan with a colleague or mentor by clicking the share icon. Enter their email address, their first and last name, and click Share. This individual will be emailed a link to your action plan. You can also remove access to your action plan by going back to the same share icon and removing the individual that you'd like to remove from being able to see your action plan. You can also download a copy of your action plan to review offline or bring to a meeting by clicking on the download icon on the right-hand side. In addition to being able to access your action plan anytime on any device, SurePeople will also send you a weekly progress email that will feed you customized content relative to what you are working on and alert you to what you need to continue working on. To ensure you have these notifications turned on, navigate to the home page by clicking on the global navigation menu in the upper right-hand side of the screen. Find the Home button, click on your name, and ensure that your Week in Review email is toggled on. This concludes SurePeople's Action Plan tutorial. Feel free to reach out at any time by emailing us at support@surepeople.com.